looking out on the morning rain, I used to feel so uninspired. And when I knew I had to face another day, Lord, it made me feel so tired. Before the day I met you, life was so unkind, but you're the key to my peace of mind. And I just wanna be close to you. You make me feel
Okay, so we all know that Aretha Franklin is in the Dolby Theater tonight.
Yep.
Yes, she is. Howie?
You are an amazing woman, and you are, you know, afterwards you said, I'm not perfect. Well, you are perfect because I think that you are you, and that is perfection when you're yourself, and that goes for anybody here.
Thank you.
That being said, there was a couple of notes
Yeah,
there that
I know.
I felt you were pushing, and I know what this pressure means to
Yes.
you and everybody else, and this is the last of the semifinals. You pushed a little hard, and you hit a couple of weird notes, but I love you, I love who you are, and I love the message that you spread.
Thank you.
Simon?
Well, Christina, I mean,
Yeah.
last week we saw the mouse turn into a tiger when you got through, like the divas arrived, and I had a feeling you might be singing an Aretha song tonight. Look, I love you. We've always loved you from day one. For me, the song was over-orchestrated.
Okay.
Maybe nerves, you hit some bum notes.
Yes, I did.
But I am hoping that we forget all that and remember the great singer who you are, the person who you are, and that you get through next week, because I think the final would be amazing with you in it.
You know, one thing I've learned in this competition is that when I stand on this stage, I stand here for people who have felt like they aren't perfect, people who maybe are too heavy, or maybe they didn't feel like they were the right color, or maybe you just didn't feel like you fit in. And so every minute that I stand here, whether I sing every note right or not, I stand here, and I am proud that I have stood here.